Alright, we're back. We are now at a no zone, and I am going to try to take an EET. Now, the next NSE would be valid to the long side, so I'm going to try to take an EET and ride it up for a little more profit if possible. As you recall, we lost 6 ticks on the first trade. We didn't get filled on our next trade, well, our attempted trade, and now we're in out of no zone. And we could take a pullback trade that would be valid. Okay, a pullback trade here is valid. You're going in the direction of the trend. However, we're at a no zone. The next NSE is a high probability trade, and if we get the NSE, I would want to be in that trade. Okay, so if I take the EET, the risk reward is better because I'm going to be in the same direction of that possible NSE. So are we going to get the NSE? I don't know. Are we going to get the EET? I don't know. If we continue going down, the long-term indicator is going to go short again. So it's a lot of choppiness today. So if we get another down signal on the long-term indicator, which just now happened, okay, now I cannot take the EET. Does that make sense? Now, Pro Indicator is going to still show it because it can't globally read all the charts. So it would still show an EET. So you got to have 3 charts up when you trade my trading system. So right now we want to take a pullback trade at 52.75. Okay, our long-term indicator just went short. So during that time, I'm going to avoid all long trades. So even though I would like to take the NS at a no zone, same thing happened at the beginning of this video series. We couldn't take it, ended up being a winner, but the rule said avoid it. Same thing here. Here's an EET, right? We can't take the EET long because the rules are telling us stay short because of the long-term indicator. Okay, so we're going to try to run this down here and see if we can make a nice recovery trade out the pullback trade. Normally my pullback trades would go for about 4 ticks, which would be 51.50. I'm going to go a little more simply because the long-term indicator went short and it just went short. So I want to try to get more profit out of the trade. Okay, my stop loss has been moved to entry for me. We've already hit profit, just haven't been filled yet. So let's see if we can jump off here at 51. Full 6 tick recovery trade. Could have stayed in for a little bit more. And you see how earlier that EET, I'm sorry, the NSE coming out of no zone, we didn't take it. We followed the rules. We followed the rules again, and we recovered. Okay, so let's stop the video, and we'll do one more and see if we can make 4 to 6 more ticks, wrap it up for the day.